All right, this is the audio for your lesson 8 and 9 learning check. Number 1, what is the slope of the line through the points -2, 1 and 2, 4? Number 2, the line graphed below goes through the points 3, -3, and 6, -4. What is the slope of the line? Number 3, what is the domain of the relation shown in the table? Number 4, the parent function f of x equals x is graphed below. G of x is also graphed. What best describes the transformation from f of x to g of x? Is it the first answer choice, g of x is less steep than f of x? Second answer choice, g of x is shifted up from f of x. Third choice, g of x is shifted down from f of x. Fourth choice, g of x is steeper than f of x. Number 5, the parent function f of x equals x is graphed below. G of x is also graphed. What best describes that transformation from f of x to g of x? Your first answer choice is g of x is less steep or half as steep as f of x. G of x is steeper or 2 times as steep as f of x. G of x is shifted down 2 units from f of x. G of x is shifted up 2 units from f of x. Number 6, what best describes the transformation from the parent function f of x equals x to the new function g of x equals 3x plus 2? Your first answer choice, g of x is shifted down 2 and is 3 times as steep, which is steeper, as f of x. G of x is shifted up and is 3 times, g of x is shifted up 2 and is 3 times as steeper as f of x. Third answer choice, g of x is shifted down 2 and is 1/3 as steep, less steep, as f of x. The fourth one, g of x is shifted up 2 and is 1/3 as steep, less steep, as f of x. Number 7, what best describes the transformation from the parent function f of x equals x to the new function g of x equals 1/2 x minus 4? Your answer choices are g of x is shifted down 4 and is 2 times as steep, steeper as f of x. G of x is shifted up 4 and is 2 times as steep, steeper as f of x. G of x is shifted down 4 and is half as steep, less steep, as f of x. G of x is shifted up 4 and is 1/2 as steep, less steep, as f of x. Number 8, which graph is not a function? And that's it.